What's up guys, Bogboy752 here and welcome back to another video. So today guys, in this video I want to be showing you how to jailbreak a PS3 on version 4.87 or lower. So I did a video about this a couple of years back and a lot of people in the comments were telling me that this is clickbait and all that because I didn't show you how to install, I only showed you how to jailbreak the actual console. I didn't show you how to install the custom firmware, so a lot of people got pissed off at me for that. So today we're gonna do everything correctly, and yeah. So first thing you're gonna obviously need is a PS3 that you can jailbreak. If you don't know if your PS3 can be jailbroken, I will leave a link in the description where you can check that for yourself. And yeah. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to date and time settings. Make sure it's connected to the internet. Go to date and time settings and make sure it is set to the correct date. So just click that set via internet and that should be good to go. And what you want to do now is head over to the internet browser. Let that load up, give it a second. So after you hear the two beeps and you get the little tick there, you want to go over to Flash Memory Manager. Just click over there and that will download the tool. Give it a few seconds. And now you're going to get this little pop-up there. Give that a couple seconds. And as you heard the trophy sound there, that means I can jailbreak. And as you can see the green tick there, that means we can jailbreak. If you get the red tick there, that means you cannot jailbreak. So do not proceed forward with this. Just don't do it. You can really fuck up your console there. So head over to Flash Memory Patch here, just right on the bottom. Click X. And you want to click load patch via HTTPS. Click that, and that'll download everything. Give it about a minute or two just to do its thing, and I'll be right back.
This type of thoughts are a threat to your health, like tying knots in a noose and cigarettes in your mouth. You die slow, keep your eyes so planted on the prize. So the planet you devise, allow the planets to align. Now be yourself, hold yourself to your higher purpose. Love yourself, mold yourself to the highest version of yourself. A leap of faith will set you free.
Hey guys, so once that has finished doing its thing, you just want to click close and just click on Flash Memory Patch once again. And as you can see, just go down here and just click apply loaded patch. Just click that. It's going to give you a warning saying, yeah, do you want to do this? Just click yes. And now you're just going to give that a couple minutes, and after that, we'll be right back. Okay, guys. So once you hear the trophy sounds, you just want to go ahead and just click close and exit out of the browser, and just turn off the. You just want to restart your console. So just do that, and we're going to head over to the PC. Okay guys, so once you are on your PC, you're going to need a USB, so just plug it into the computer that you got, and head over to the 3 links in the description. One of them is the custom firmware we're going to be installing, and the other one is SCN Enabler, and of course you cannot forget about the legendary Multiman. So you go ahead and download everything all in the description, and once you download the custom firmware, you're just going to go ahead and drag it over to your USB, create a folder named PS3, inside there update, and then obviously here is where you put in the custom firmware, and of course don't forget you have to rename it to PS3 update, just like that. Hit enter, and we are ready to install our custom firmware. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so once you've restarted your PS3, you just want to go and log in and head over to system update. Make sure your USB is plugged in to the right side, and go storage media, and you can see there Ferret Cobra. Click OK and give that a moment to do its thing, and just click agree to everything, accept, and yep, just click start, and I'll be right back once this is done. There you guys go. You are now jailbroken. So obviously there's a couple more things you got to do. Just go ahead and log in again, and we need to go ahead and just download our package files. So just go package manager, install, and go standard. Make sure that the USB is plugged in, everything's there. We're going to obviously install multi-man, PSM patch, and SCN enabler. So once you guys have installed that, you are pretty much ready to go and do whatever you like. So yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below, and I will try my best to get back to you. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
End up alone without a home, trying to cut a deal with the devil for my soul. I never would have known I'd end up alone without a home, trying to cut a deal with the devil for my soul.